Guys, Max Zanan here. I want to talk to you about service. We live in a time when nobody has any time to do anything between the family and your job. There's really no time to take your car to a dealership service department. So car dealers really should consider accommodating customers through pickup and delivery of these vehicles. And I promise you that pickup and delivery is something that your customers are going to appreciate. It's going to help you build loyalty, and most likely it'll increase dollars per repair order. Because, like everything else in life, people are willing to pay for convenience. And if I am home and you picked up my car and you're going to drop it off in the morning completely fixed, I'm most likely not going to question, whether I need this service done or that service done. So again, please consider pickup and delivery. And if you don't, unfortunately, people will find another solution. They will either find a dealer, your competitor, that will be willing to offer pickup and delivery, or they will go to an independent. Whether it's Jiffy Lube, Firestone, Pep Boys, maybe because their hours are more convenient, or maybe because their service at least perceived as being less expensive. So again, pickup and delivery means loyalty and additional profit.